5 reasons why mastering cash flow is essential. Number 1. Learn from the pros. If you want to succeed in life, business, or investing, you need to learn from those who have already made it to the top. And that's exactly what you get with our cash flow courses. You get to learn from the best in the game. Number 2. Unlock financial freedom. This one simple game has the power to change your financial future. It's like a hidden gem that most people don't know about. But once you start playing, you realize how valuable it is. 3. Discover the secrets of cash flow strategy. In this game, every decision you make builds wealth. It's not just about luck or being at the right place at the right time. It's about making smart moves and knowing when to take risks. 4. From beginner to cash flow champion. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this game has something for everyone. There are multiple levels of play, so you can start at your level and work your way up to becoming a cash flow champion. 5. The best investment you can make. The sooner you start playing cash flow and learning these valuable lessons, the sooner you can start seeing results. It's an investment that will continue to pay dividends for years to come.